Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we have something truly special to feast our eyes upon, the all-new 2024 Honda Insight. Trust us, this is a review you don't want to miss. What makes the 2024 Honda Insight so exciting? Let's start with its stunning design. The sleek lines and bold contours give it a fresh and modern look, sure to turn heads wherever it goes. It's the kind of car that effortlessly combines style and elegance. Step inside, and you'll find yourself in a world of luxury and comfort. The cabin is incredibly spacious, offering plenty of legroom for both the driver and passengers. And oh, those seats. They are not only plush and supportive, but also designed to minimize fatigue during long drives. Now, let's talk about technology. The 2024 Honda Insight is loaded with cutting-edge features that make every journey a delight. An intuitive infotainment system with a user-friendly interface keeps you connected, while the crystal-clear audio system brings music to life. And speaking of life, safety is a top priority in this vehicle, with advanced driver assistance systems ensuring peace of mind on the road. But what truly sets the 2024 Honda Insight apart from the competition is its incredible fuel efficiency. Thanks to Honda's renowned hybrid technology, it delivers superb mileage, making those gas station stops fewer and farther between. With the Insight, you'll be saving money while also reducing your carbon footprint, a win-win situation. And let's not forget about personal style. The 2024 Honda Insight comes in an array of vibrant colors, giving you the freedom to choose the one that speaks to your personality. Whether you prefer a classic black or a bold red, there's a shade that will suit your taste. It's clear that Honda has truly outdone themselves with the 2024 Honda Insight. This hybrid sedan is not just a vehicle, it's a statement of style, performance, and environmental consciousness. So, if you're in the market for a car that turns heads, embraces technology, and does its part for the planet, look no further than the 2024 Honda Insight. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button if you enjoyed this review. Stay tuned for more exhilarating content, and happy driving.